Hi everyone, today is a special day. It's a fantastic day, it's a magical day. It's Thursday. But it's not an ordinary Thursday to me because today is actually the day that I start renting this studio right behind me, which means that I'm done with working at home. So I've been dreaming about this day of having a studio, a place where I can go to work, and when I go home I'm not at work, and just having all my art materials at one place. I don't have to clean up every day. And yeah, it's just a special feeling finally being here and knowing that I have a studio to work in. But this is not the only news actually. The other thing is that I have recently quit my part-time job, or that is my part-time job. I've been working as an educator in terms of teaching about building, teaching about illustration art a bit to children. Besides that, I have been working 3 odd jobs at times. I've been working at a boat builder, I've been doing moving shifts. But now, finally, I've been putting enough money aside to be able to rent this place behind me. I'm really looking forward to keep showing you this journey of being an illustrator and keep showing you some awesome drawing videos. Remember that if you want to support my work and keep getting good drawing content, you can subscribe to my channel. But let's go inside and have a quick glimpse of the studio. So, this is where I came from, and this is the pathway up here, and then you can walk inside here. I'm sharing this studio with 3 other artists, and I'm also really looking forward to get that inspiration and get that feeling of being in a fellowship of other artists. And this over here is my spot. Right now is a bit messy, and I got some help from a friend to move all my stuff over here last night. So I can't wait to just unbox everything and get organized. This is my printing press. I'm looking forward to do some more printing work. My desk here, and then I'm gonna have a shelf over here to have all my books and all my stuff. And let's just check out the view here. That's just magical, isn't it? Like a fairy tale. And right behind me we have the kitchen. So literally within 2 meters I have my coffee station. Yeah, so this is the studio, and I'm really excited about it, and I'm also a bit nervous about knowing that now I have to go all in on illustration. Yeah, no more part-time jobs. At least not for the next year. So this is exciting times that are coming. I want to end this vlog off here by showing you a quote that I've been hanging over my desk for the past 5 years. This is a quote that always kept me inspired and always kept me motivated in chasing and believing in this dream of living off illustration. So here it goes. If you have built castles in the air, your work need not be lost. That is where they should be. Now put foundations under them.
Nogle folk fortæller mig, hvad jeg skal være, men jo, det er som det er, så de må hellere lade være med at fortælle mig om præcis, hvad det vil sige at befinde sig i den og den kategori. For alle de steder jeg kommer, jo, der gør jeg det godt. Jeg nægter blive whopper for et fucking kop blot. Jeg er ligesom Jimi Hendrix, jo, jeg er ligesom en vindro. Komplet stenfri, jeg er ikke sur som en citrus. Du er super moderne, jo, og du sviner min blues. Men du er bare en grim dreng, lidt ligesom et minus. Jeg er en fisk, jeg er en fugl, og jeg ved du begynder at kigge meget, meget mærkeligt, når det er, jeg synger, for det gør.